There is a surprise. My mom is going to join. Come here, mommy. Hi, welcome to Sai Fam Vlog. It's recording, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Today I'm going to prepare rasam.
இவங்களுக்கு
Hi
29
friends.
வயசாகுது, ஹவுஸ் ஒய்ஃபா இருக்காங்க. இவங்களோட ஹாபிஸ் வந்து தின்றது, தூங்குறது, வெட்டிக்கிழமை போன்ல
கொத்தமல்லி.
மணிக்கணக்கா பேசுறது. இப்படியே பண்றதுனால எங்க அம்மாவோட வெயிட் 10 கிலோ கூடி போச்சுங்க. அது மட்டும் இல்லாம போர் அடிச்சா என்ன கூட்டு வச்சு கொட்டுன்னு கொட்டுவாங்க.
அப்புறம் நம்மளுக்கு வேற என்ன வேணும்? பெப்பர், அப்புறம் ஜீரா, அப்புறமா நம்மளுக்கு we didn't mustard seeds, then what else? Turmeric and green chilies. Okay, this is tomato rasam. Tomato puri rasam. I'm not ready to wash them. When I was eating, it was so yummy. My mother tried it. It was so good. You my father was recording place. Okay, recording la பண்ணா. Recording place la. அது பாதி போய். அச்சா, as well. So, அப்புறம் வேற என்ன? We already prepared this, நான் already வந்து 3 tomatoes and 2 puri. It's already கொஞ்சம் boil பண்ணி எடுத்துக்கோ. Okay, let me smash this. Okay, so okay, just smash பண்ணி எடுத்துக்கணும். So, I'm using the hands to do this. Doesn't look so juicy, guys. Juicy as you should have cooked it. You cook it. I'll just prepare everything for you. Okay. What is that? Cooking as well. How can I do it? Yes, the matter. Yes, the matter. What you do? Yes, the matter. Then sound effects. What are you good making? What? Oh shit! What happened? What happened? Oh, check out this one. See what you're adding. Then you're adding chili. Then you're adding okay, curry leaves. Okay. Then putting the leaves with it. And also, at last you're also going to add the green chilies. Now closer. Well, you put it closer. Well, all the things are this. Okay, now carry on. You're already adding it. Okay, we prepared the mixture. What we have to put, okay? Now take one Deksha. Deksha, it's called Deksha.
Is it up? Where it was?
Which one will take?
Mommy, shall I shut down?
Now we're going to start it now. Where's the lighter? Where's the lighter? Okay. Where's the lighter? I choose it. Dark is lighter. My God. Zoom to focus on it. Okay. இப்போ நமக்கு தேவை oil. அத சேர்த்து 1 spoon oil.
என்னம்மா நம்மளா தமிழ்காரல்ல?
ஆமாப்பா.
தமிழ்காரம்.
காரம் அடிக்குது. இது சூடானதும் நம்ம ரெட் சில்லி அப்புறமா
ட்ரை அது. ஆமா.
Red dry chili. Yes, you're right. Yeah. Red dry chili. We should add 2 of them. Add 2 of them. Is enough.
It looks like plastic, huh?
Yeah, no. The original chili. Apro.
Shall I add?
What else we should add? Can I put? Next என்ன போடணும் சொல்லு. Then we should add a little bit of jeera. Then we should add a little bit of mustard seeds.
Can I put?
Yeah, come.
Mommy, is that fine?
Yes. Fine. No. Put mustard seeds.
This.
Put it.
In the cup?
No.
Masala.
Then we are going to add
chili and
red chili.
Red chili dry. And we're going to add jeera.
This mixtureல என்னென்ன இருக்குது?
எனக்கு
பூண்டு, சீரகம், pepper, 2-3 curry leaves, கொஞ்சோண்டு coriander and
look my joke.
And green chili. 2 green chili.
Don't add vettalapaku. It was a joke.
Yes, it was a joke. Guys, it's a joke.
Guys, was it scary? Huh?
Don't shout. Ma, it was scary.
It smells so good, no?
Yeah, but it was scary, na? Finally stuck. Abadi. Hi, friends.
Ishan Kutti.
Ma, Ishan பட்டுக்காம பாத்துருக்கோம்.
வாடா பப்பு.
இல்ல போ பாப்போ.
இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், இதை வதக்கணும். What we have to do is little bit of stir.
ஏன் கம்மியாருது?
Then add some
It smells
salt.
so good.
Important salt.
Was it?
Okay, let me add it in a spoon.
Okay.
Oh. அவ்வளோதான், rasam is going to get ready. Hey, now we are going to add the coriander leaves.
Ma, put like masala.
Put like masala. Okay, our rasam will be ready in some time. இன்னும் கொஞ்ச நேரத்துல ரசம் ரெடி ஆயிடும். This vlog is going to continue in Tamil.
ஆமால.
Very nice smell, aroma is coming. Right?
One day when I was eating this, my friend smelled and came to my home. It was so good. If you try it,
You can try it.
Even your friends will come to you. That too, you can eat and
It
go.
has to boil only once. ஒரே ஒரு கொதி வந்துடணும். You have to close it and keep it for some time.
And we can eat it.
We can eat it.
Eat it. Now rasam is ready. ரொம்ப சூப்பரா.
Rasam is ready.
வாயில ஜொல்லு முடியுது.
Okay.
ஸ்மெல் கமகமான இருக்கு. நீங்க ஒரு வாட்டி ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க.
கமகமான இருக்குது.
நல்லா இருக்கும்.
Okay, நம்ம ட்ரை பண்ணலாமா? Who is going to try?
நான் ட்ரை பண்ண மாட்டேன்.
ஏன் சொல்லு?
ஒருவேளை சூடா இருக்குது.
Super. It's too good. I love rasam.
I love you. I love you.
So everybody has to subscribe our channel, like and share.
Then you'll get more rasam.